Happy Wednesday. You know, holding a grudge is like microwaving leftovers. You didn't even like them the first time, but you keep reheating the hurt and somehow expect it to taste better. You know, forgiveness doesn't punish them, it poisons you. Book of Colossians chapter 3 verse 13 says, bear with each other and forgive one another. Forgive as the Lord forgave you. Family, forgiveness frees the prisoner. And surprise, it was you all along. Family, God bless you. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you next time.